right, this is the books that I got at the Bookmobile. Adventure begins at your library. Yeah. We have a huge, extensive books here in the park. But then we also get the Bookmobile that comes once a month. I got a bookmark. Magnetic bookmark. Alright. I got this. I think this is a book on New Mexico. A novel. New Mexico. Long out of print. It's a novel of gypsies and payaso who reportedly wandered through the mountains of northern New Mexico many years ago. So I wanted, they had in the Bookmobile, I think they had like 3 of these copies. I thought, well, it's got to be good. It must be checked out a lot. 2 seconds too late. I don't even remember getting this book. Northern New Mexico. Yeah, they had a pretty big selection. But it's big print too. Yay. And I got some plant books to look at. The Micro Farm. Yeah, it's got lots of pictures. I'm going to have fun looking through that. And then landscaping with herbs. How cool would that be? Yeah, so I'm going to have some fun looking through these 2 books for sure. All right, cool. All right, I bought all that chicken the other day. 4.99 cents a pound. I bought the thighs and the legs. I'm going to cook the thighs right here. Yeah. Pup Camper 58. Cheryl gave this barbecue pit to Deborah, so I'm going to use it today. And I got it on. It's smoking. And I think I can turn down the flame a little bit. And here's all the chicken. 5, 9, 10 pieces. I'm going to get it all on there. I'm going to do a few with garlic jalapeno from Big T Spice Company. Go check out their website. And the 7 blend. And some more with garlic and herb and wine marinade. So I'm going to just kind of, let me go get a glove. Okay, here's 4 pieces. And now I need to take my glove off and do the shaker thing. Am I going to remember which ones I do which? That's the problem. All right. And seven blend. I'm going to have to put a glove on and turn these over and do the other side. All right, let's go put them on the grill. All right, I'm going to go season the other ones. Hopefully I can get them all on this grill. If not, I'll do it in stages. Okay, I got them all on there. I went ahead and did the 7 spice on 4 and the garlic and jalapeno on 4. I'm going to save that other spice for the drumsticks. And I may do those in the air fryer. We'll see. All right, y'all cook. It's been a long time since I've barbecued. So one of the neighbors here in the park has a electric smoker, and when we've gone up to potlucks, or they've even provided the meat at some of these events, and they smoke them in that smoker. And oh my gosh, it's so good. I was like, I want one of those, and it'd be perfect for these big quantities of meat, like that I get on sale because I have to buy the family pack. And they're previously frozen, so I have to cook it. Can't put them in the freezer. So I thought, oh, I want one of those. I want one of those smokers. And it's electric, and I guess you just let it smoke all night. And I've not been a smoker. I've smoked salmon on the grill on my Weber. That's about the only thing I've smoked. But anyway, I looked at the price of those things, and they're expensive. Is it worth it? How many people watching has a smoker? Put in the comments below. Okay, let's check it. My trusty little, I gotta change hands, hang on. Trusty little thermometer. These, here in the center, the skin fell off, so all the spice went with it. Yeah, I need more time. More time. Alright, since the skin came off those one, I decided to put barbecue sauce on all of them. Alright, that one's 164. Almost, it's a little bit thicker. That one's good. Alright, I'm going to cover them up and let them rest. Let them take a nap. Alright, here's the other batch. This is the skin on, the other is the skin off. And I'm going to wrap it up and let it rest for a little bit. Now I have the task of cleaning these green chilies. So I did 2 pretty fast. So I thought, well, I need to stop and get a plate or something to put them in. And I'm going to just put the skins over here, and I'll dump all that from cooking the chicken. And I guess I'll just put them in here. And then when that gets full, I'll take a break, put them in baggies, and put them in the freezer. So I'm going to put on some gloves and start peeling. Okie doke. So I did 2 of them, and they're not warm. I got these in the refrigerator section. I wonder how hot they are, because it says they're mild. Should I take a bite? Good. I think I'll put this one to the side since I've eaten off of it. Ooh, I'm going to like that they're so mild. They're peeling really easy. Better than when I char them. Cook them, char them, roast them. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, I want to make some chili rellenos. Go along with my, and peel these and have one with my, heat it up and have one with my chicken here in a minute. I love that. How easy they're peeling. Okay, I got to take a break. I still have more in the bag. That's how much I have. There's the discard. But I'm going to put some of these in baggies and label them, and get them in the freezer. Okay, I am putting about 4 in a snack bag. You know, if a recipe calls for a can of green chilies, I don't want to defrost a whole big old bag of them. Then the rest of them will just eat with my meals. And if I need to do like my chili relleno casserole, just take out like 2. I could do a small green bean casserole. A small chili relleno casserole just for 2. And that would be, I wouldn't have a lot of leftovers. That'd be good. All right. Let's get back to it. And put on my glove, and I probably have maybe half a bag left. I saw that these cost $13.99. Is that a good deal? I would think so, but so I don't know how much one of those boxes would cost. All right, now I can't turn the camera off, can I? Okay, I am done. Yeah, there's the discard. Got a whole nother bowl full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna probably have about 10 packages, and then I'll put I'll flatten them out and then put them in a gallon Ziploc probably, and put them in the freezer. All right, I had to fix me a chili relleno. Just threw some cheese in it, put it in the microwave, and it didn't. Oh, it's hot. Just a second. Let's see. I should have put it in a tortilla. Oh, what was I thinking? It's still hot. I might need to put it in a tortilla. Maybe if I got a fork. What a concept. Look at all these. It's a process. But I needed a snack. I need a snack before I eat my chicken. That is so good. Put a little salt on it. Yeah. Now, I think I need to cook a pot of beans. Have a bean and chili relleno and cheese burrito for breakfast in the morning. So mild. There is no heat. So when they say mild, they mean mild. So, I wonder how the hot ones would be. Yeah. But I love the flavor. It's just, the flavor is just yummy. Yay. Okay, leftover tomatoes and cucumber salad, spinach salad, onions, asparagus, chicken leg.